Let's try this TirTir Pink Cushion Foundation. Okay, so this is the TirTir Mask Fit All Cover Cushion. I have the shade 43 in Deep Cocoa. And I was going to try cinnamon, but I looked at other videos and that's what made me select this one. So we're going to hope, fingers crossed, we're going to hope it works, y'all, okay? So I already did a little bit of color correcting on dark spots with concealer. Right here, you can kind of see the concealer. I use the same shade as my skin, okay? That's why it's not super noticeable. But anyway, let's get into it. So I did get the small one, as you can see. And y'all, if this eats, I already got the big one ready in my cart, okay? So it has like a little blurry mirror. And this is too cute. Look at this. It says TirTir. I got a brush on standby so we can blend that out. All right, let's see what it's giving. Okay, hopefully it's not too dark. It might just look like a lot of pigment on a sponge right here, but this is the actual cushion. Let's go ahead and apply some. Okay. Wow. Do y'all see that? Too pretty. Wow, it's a little darker, but I like it. All right, let's apply a little more. It smells like baby powder. Coverage looks pretty good to me. What y'all think? It's matte, but it does have like a natural sheen. I did not conceal under my eyes. Let's see. So I will definitely still have to apply concealer under my eye like any other foundation. But I like this shade match so far. I might have been able to go for a cinnamon, but I think I can roll with this. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little more. And I got this little brush right here. Just blend it out with this little brush. But let me finish applying it and I'll be right back, y'all. This is what the foundation is looking like on my skin. Let me go ahead and finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Roar. Okay, so here's the finished look. What y'all think? I think this finish is absolutely gorgeous. You can't tell me nothing, child. Y'all better get some of this TirTir in your life. It is matte, but it's not giving flat matte. You feel me? Look at this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Get some TirTir in your life. I tried to told you. It's linked. All right, y'all.